Assalamualaikum student, this is Mathematics D2 series exercise 5b. Book page number is 145 and question number is 7. This is the second part of this question. You must have watched the first part if you want to understand this part. Actually, I have not started the question properly. I am just trying to sketch what information has been provided in the question. So we have been asked how much is the width of the this concrete path. Suppose this width which we want to know is actually x. If x will be here, then definitely this one will also be x. And if this one is x, then definitely this will also be the x. And this one will also be the x. I mean this one only. This one, and this one. Okay. So this was 70 meters already. So this 70 meters and this x makes it, or you can say this is 70 meter from here to here. This is 70 meter, but here it is x, and if it is x here, so definitely x will be here. So the new length of the concrete path is actually 70 plus x, or in other words we can suppose that let the width is same all around this rectangular path. This is x which is width, 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 and even this and this one and this one and this one as well. So the width is actually x which we have supposed. So we have supposed that the width is x of the concrete part, I mean not the rectangular field of the concrete part. Width is actually x. So that's mean length will be equal to this 70, and this x will be 70 plus 2x. And if it is x, now I'm gonna remove this one so you won't be confused more. If this is x, and from here to here it is 50, and from here to here it is x, so x here and x here, and in the middle there is 50. So that's mean the it was actually the width of the concrete path. And if we compare, if we suppose it as the whole rectangle, bigger rectangle from here to here, so now we are supposing it a bigger rectangle including the rectangular field which is already inside it. So we are supposing it a bigger rectangle, so its width will be 50 plus 2x. Okay, listen very carefully. Now you have understood by this map I have taken the information. I'm gonna create some space here, so that's why I have removed. The question will be in front of you maybe, or maybe I shall remove it later on. Okay, I shall show you the question. Okay students, we have got to know that the total length is actually 70 plus 2x, and the total width is actually 50 plus 2x. So that's mean now we can find the area of the whole of this big rectangle, and that area will also be containing the area which is in the middle. The middle one area is actually 70 multiply 50 will be 3500 meters square. So that's mean this big area, whatever will be the big area, if we subtract the middle one area from the big area, the big area will be found like this: length multiplied by width. Suppose this is the bigger area's formula will be length multiplied by width, and from the bigger area if we subtract this middle one area, which is actually 3500 meters square, we shall get the 1024. Now let's watch the next part of the third part of the video to understand more.